Many companies that I work with, many owners that I work with, there's really no clear owner for sales training. It's something that is expected salespeople to do on their own. And nobody's implementing it, nobody's following up, creating good tools and practice guidelines to really take the skills that they've learned and apply them to the business. It can be very simple to put many of these processes in place. And it does not take a lot of an owner's time to do that. There are great tools available that salespeople can follow. There are coaches and training implementers who can really get the most out of their salespeople and increase the level of their skills. As a fractional VP of sales, I can help them gain access to those tools. I can put application workshops together that take what they've learned in the classroom or online and apply them directly to that particular business, really giving some traction to the learning opportunities.